That's bad, totally bad. I just really need to sort my life. Yeah, my life, just to make my life in order. It's just messed up. This is the example of the importance of having a friend or someone you can actually have friends, right? Look what happened. Someone actually helped me with a £5 and I managed to add 20 miles distance of fuel on the list. Yeah, it's been hard, but well, I had to ask, from the people who I know and the people who I work with. And yeah, if I didn't ask for help, I wouldn't be in this position of managing to drive the car for the shift which I'm attending. Yeah, earlier today I was actually walking because I did not have any money. I tried posting on social media about CV writing. Most they are interested, but I cannot speed the process. I have to wait for them to actually take their time for the service. Well, I'll see how it's gonna go out. Yeah, life can be hard.